Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is Bitcoin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. So you can see current price is $0.8420. It is up by 94% and rank is around 243%. Around 3k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $117 million and the volume in 24 hours is $43.58 million. It is down by 12%. So now I'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. So you can see that I'm in the weekly chart. So let me draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving up. So if you go to the daily chart also, you can see that clearly the candles are moving in this uptrend channel pattern. Okay. So after hitting this resistance trend line, so candles are falling. So candles may come down to the support level, and after the fall, if the breakout happens, then candles may start moving towards this resistance level, which is around 4.06. Again the fall may take place, again the candles may go up. So previously also you can see candles went up and then it was falling in this channel pattern. Okay, little sideways. After the breakout it has gone up. Now candles are moving towards the support level, and if there is a breakout happen, it may go to this resistance level, or else the candles may come down. If the breakout doesn't happen in upward direction, then it may start falling towards the support level. Okay, and then from here it may start moving in an upward direction. If the breakout happens in upward direction, then it may move in this uptrend channel pattern. So within this channel pattern it may continue. Okay, so you can see that very clearly. If you go to the 4 hours chart also, you can see that very clearly how these candles are moving. So you can see the support and this is the resistance. Okay, so candles went up, then the fall is happening. Okay, after the breakout again it may go up, fall, and then if the breakout happens it may go up, or else it may fall in this. It may continue in this channel pattern, and then after the breakout it may come down to the support level. So now we'll talk about another cryptocurrency, that is Unibase coin or UB coin, and you can see current price is $0.04494. It is up by 11%. Rank is around 254 position. Around 3k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $112 million and the volume in 24 hours is $20.08 million. It is down by 22%. So now I'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. You can see that I'm in the weekly chart. So let me draw the trend line. So you can see this is the support trend line. Okay, so this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, so you can see within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So previously you can see candles were moving in this channel pattern. So this was the support. Okay, and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern it was moving, and then after hitting this resistance trend line continuously the fall was happening. So candles have come down to the support level. Okay, and now you can see candles are moving in this channel pattern. So this is the support trend line. Okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. Okay, and after the fall the candles are moving in this channel pattern. So this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving up. So if you go to the daily chart also, you can see that after the candles went up, fall happened, again it went up. Now you can see candles are falling. Okay, and if you draw the trend line, you can see previously the candles were moving in a upward direction, and then you can see candles are now falling in this channel pattern. So this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, and you can see the candles were falling in this channel pattern. Okay, so this is the support and this is the resistance, and now it has given a breakout. So candles may start moving in a upward direction. So this is the support and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern only the candles may move, and it may come to this resistance level, which is around 0.05379, and then fall, and then after breakout it may go to the resistance level and then fall may take place. Okay, and if there is if the breakout happens, then it may continue like this in this upward direction, and then it may go to the resistance level, which is around 3.2, or else if the breakout doesn't happen, then candles may come down to the support here, and then after the breakout it may start moving towards this resistance level. So you can see clearly how these candles are moving. Okay, So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.